Want to level up your TikTok lives and keep your audience hooked? You can actually play YouTube videos directly on your TikTok live. First, make sure you have two devices. This trick requires you to broadcast from one device and use a second one to play the YouTube video. You can use another phone, a tablet, or even your computer. On the device you will be broadcasting from, tap the plus sign at the bottom center of your screen. This will bring up the camera and all the options for creating a TikTok. Now, swipe across the options at the bottom until you find the live option. It's usually the furthest option to the right. Before you hit that Go Live button, give your live stream a catchy title. Something that will draw people in and let them know you'll be showing a YouTube video. You can also add effects or goals if you'd like. Alright, now tap that big red Go Live button. You're officially live. Make sure your camera is facing you and you greet your viewers as they join. Now, on your second device, open the YouTube app. Find the video you want to play during your live. Search for it or find it in your history or playlists. Once you found the video, put it into full screen mode. This will make it easier for your TikTok audience to see. Now, carefully position the second device, the one playing the YouTube video, so that the camera on your first device, which is streaming to TikTok Live, can clearly see the screen. You might need to adjust the lighting or angle to avoid glare. That's it. The YouTube video should now be visible to your viewers on TikTok Live. Remember to monitor the audio levels and speak clearly so your audience can hear both you and the video. Interact with your viewers while the video plays. Ask them questions about the video, respond to their comments, and keep the energy up. And remember to respect copyright rules. Only play videos you have permission to use. Have fun creating amazing content.